I have a lot of people asking me they only have $100 and they want to start crypto trading. So this tutorial is just going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to start trading with your smartphone or your PC with only $100. So we are going to use Binance, Bybit and OKX, and we are also going to be using CoinMarketCap. I'm going to make sure that I teach you technical analysis, sentimental analysis, fundamental analysis, how to take your trade, position sizing, and the risk you are supposed to use on each trade since your capital is very small. So make sure you watch the video and follow my instructions. And if you have any questions at the end, just comment down below. You can also click on the follow or subscribe button so that tomorrow you'll be able to receive another wonderful video from me. So I'm just going to show you a step-by-step process on how to start trading in 2025 with $100.
If we look closely, the first trade profit is $50, second trade is minus $92. So with this trade, we are currently in a loss of minus 93. The first trade, we are in a profit of $48. So I started this account with $100. Then this particular trade to have closed 80%. So now we are in a profit of plus $2. If we check the unrealized PNL, we are in a total loss of minus $42. If you look at my mouse cursor at the right hand side, and we can also see our margin balance, which is now standing at $249, almost $250. But this will fluctuate. It's just left with some 30 minutes for London session to open. I'm just going to be explaining to you how to start trading with only $100 in 2025. So to start the whole process, you need to fund your trading account. So if you are in Dubai, you can use Binance. If you are in Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, you can use Binance. But if you are in Nigeria, you can only use either Bybit or OKX. The reason why my students in Nigeria are using Bybit is because if you are using Binance in Nigeria, you use it correctly. But when it comes to withdrawing profit, so maybe you have made $50, you have made $100, and you want to withdraw it, the P2P section on Binance is not working in Nigeria. So it will be very advisable you just go with Bybit and OKX so that you can easily withdraw your money to your bank account. So first thing to start, when you only have $100 and you want to start crypto day trading, is you will need to fund the money into your trading account. And funding the money into your trading account, we have what we call exchange. An exchange is like a crypto broker. It's just a crypto broker, just like forex brokers. They give you an opportunity to select the tokens that you want to trade and either leverage on them with small capital. So for example, I said if you are in Dubai, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, you can use Binance without any restrictions. If you are in, maybe you are in Canada, you are in Nigeria, you can also go for OKX. So what I've observed about OKX is when you have money in your OKX features and you are going to take a trade, they will ask you for some logins to use. And also, even when you are going to trade, they don't allow you to use more than 5% of your capital on a single trade, meaning they will help you with risk management. But when it comes to Binance and Bybit, they don't do that. They allow you to use any amount of money that you have to take your trades. So I'm just going to show you how to fund your Binance account. I'll show you how to select the coin, how to do your analysis and take the trade. So first of all, that I'm on my Binance dashboard. I've already explained these things to you, but at the ending of the video, I'll re-explain them again. So this is my Binance dashboard, features dashboard. Now let's say we'll go back to our Binance homepage. Okay, so just fund our Binance account. You can either use your credit card or use P2P. For me, I usually use P2P to deposit money into my Binance account. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the home button here. Once you click on the home button of your Binance account, it will lead you to your Binance dashboard. So just give it a minute to load. Then you click on the trade at the top. Okay, so when you click on the trade at the top, we have what we call P2P. So you click on P2P here. Okay, so when you click on P2P, P2P simply means friend to friend transaction. So maybe you have someone who is also in your area or your country, they have USDT, but they want to buy CDs. What happens is you give them your CDs and you take their USDT. In the middle of the transaction, Binance escrow will keep the money at the middle until all the transactions are completed and everyone is sorted. If you want to deposit money into your Binance and you are in Dubai, you are in Ajman, you are in Abu Dhabi or any of the Western countries, you need USDT. I'll just leave my number in the video description so that you can text me on WhatsApp, so that I'll just fund it for you and you send me CDs. So basically right now at the time of recording this video, 1 USDT is equivalent to 15 CDs, 30 pesos to 16 CDs. That's the buying power. So if you have 1 USDT, you can exchange it on Binance P2P with people with about 15.32 USDT. So what I also want you to observe is we have orders. Anytime you are going to take a trade, make sure the person have completed over 500 trades. If you are going to buy USDT from someone, make sure the person have completed over 500 trades. After that, you make sure the person is verified. There is a yellow button attached to him. So all these people, salesman is good person to trade with. I've traded with him for several times. I'm not saying you should go and trade with him. And we also have our payment method. So with the payment method, you can either select mobile money, which is MTN, or TCL cash, right? Then we have the limit of the person, how much the person can trade to you. And this person have $46,000, ranging from 2,000 cities to 50,000 cities. Meaning, if you want to buy from this guy, the first guy, you will have to select an amount of 2,000 above and less than 50,000 cities. This is very tricky. If you are new, just send me a message. I will help you deposit into your Binance. The same thing on Bybit too. Okay, the same thing on Bybit. If you are in Nigeria, you want to deposit money into your Bybit account, just click on the trade section at the top. Then you can go for P2P. So just scroll until you see P2P. The same thing that we do on Binance, the same thing on OKX and Google. So now maybe you have the money in your trading account. Let's go back to our features dashboard. So to go to our features dashboard so that we can take the trade, what we'll do is you can see at the top we have buy crypto, market, trade, features. So click on features, then you select the first one, which is USDT at M features. So just click on USDT at M features. This place is very important because I'm going to be explaining the Binance features dashboard to you. It's still the same thing on Bybit, and it's also the same thing on OKX. Once you understand the Binance dashboard, you can use the same strategy on the OKX or any other exchange. They all perform the same function, just that the jurisdiction. And in the beginning of the video, I told you that those in Dubai or those in Ghana, those in Kenya, South Africa, they are able to use Binance correctly without any restrictions. So if you are in Nigeria, just use Bybit. Okay. So on the dashboard of the Binance features, we have the buttons buy and short. When we say buy/long, we are simply saying that we think the market will go up. So we enter a long position and we close the trade in a bigger position to cash out. If you say sell short, you are predicting that the market will go down, then you sell it, you add leverage and you make profit. Please get this again. If you think the market is going to go up, you enter a long position, which is the same as you are buying the coin at a lower price and you are selling it to make profit. If you think the market is going to go down, you click on the sell short. You get what I'm saying? So now that we know, when someone say Bitcoin long, meaning they are buying Bitcoin, they think Bitcoin will go up. If someone says sell short Bitcoin, meaning Bitcoin is going to go down, so they are selling Bitcoin. Now the next thing is for us to understand what we call the order book and the order box. The order book here contains the buyers and sellers. We have those at the top, they are the sellers, and those below the green bar, they are the buyers. So anytime at the beginning of the day and to the end of the day, the market direction determines those who win. So if many people are thinking that Bitcoin is going to go up, you surely see the order book being more green. If people think Bitcoin is going to go down, they will keep selling it, and those in the green red part will make profit. Then we have the order box. The order box contains the buyers and sellers. the market orders. So we have the order box here, which contains limit, market, stop limit. We have cross margin here. We have 50x as isolated margin. Then we have single asset mode and multiple asset mode. In the next videos, I'm going to be explaining all these things. And we also have the position size calculator. So make sure you follow me, because the next video I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate your position, cross margin and isolated margin, multiple asset mode and single asset mode, and also the leverage you are supposed to use. So for now we are on limit, right? So let's see, right now we have $100 in our account and we want to take a trade. What we first need to do is we need to first select a coin. And how do you select a coin? There is a website to do that. That's where we go for coin selection. So we go to a website called CoinMarketCap. When you are on CoinMarketCap, right, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to go to the home page of CoinMarketCap. So just go to the home page of CoinMarketCap, the website homepage. Now there is a place we call trending. We want to invest our money into coins that people are also investing money in. Don't go and trade tokens that have been there for like 10 to 20 years without moving. You want to see that where the money is going in. So we can go to the trending section here. So when we click on the trending section, they are going to tell us that coins people are currently buying. So we can see XRP, XLM, Virtual, HBAR, ADA, Cardano, Dogecoin, and Algo. These are the coins that are currently popping. These are the coins that people are investing their money in. Then what do we do again? We go to the search box. So just click on the search box. When you click on the search box, you can see the top 3 tokens that people are investing their money in. We have XRP, Stellar Lumin, that is XLM, and we have Virtual, we have ADA. So you just click on one of them. So let's say we want to trade XLM. So just click on XLM this way. Basically, what you are now doing is you are doing sentimental analysis, okay? And you are also doing coin selection, meaning we have selected the coin that we are interested in trading. Now we are going to do sentimental analysis, which is what people are currently saying, the narrative behind the token, why it's popular, why people are investing money in, and why we need to trade this token at this particular moment. So now that we know the coin that we are going to trade, now we'll just go and read about everything about the coin. So if we check at the left hand side, you can see the coin has been the all-time high of the coin. The coin was created 7 years ago, right? And it's part of the XRP ecosystem. The highest it went was 0.45 and the lowest it was 0.34. But right now, look at the lowest price, all-time low, 0.0013. All-time high was almost $1. But right now, the coin is at 0.42, right? Then if we scroll down, right, if we scroll down to the market section, which is very important, we can see that the coin is also listed on Binance, Bybit, OKX, and KuCoin, which is the most important thing. Now we scroll down to the news section. Just take your time and go through the news. If people are saying positive news about a token, it's just a matter of time it will start pumping. So you can see 1 day ago, people were just talking about 13 hours ago. And within those moments, you can see the coin is popping, it's going up. And if we also check the community sentiment, you can see like 88% of people are long on this token. And we also have 12% being bearish, meaning everything about this token is bullish. So why don't you join the crowd? So what happens is follow the trend. I'll now go to my trading chart, which is technical analysis. So this is a trade that I took with my community members. You guys can see it's now in profit. We took it yesterday. You just copy and paste with the strategy and you can start cashing out. What I do is I just click here, then I enter the token. So if we go back to CoinMarketCap, you can see at the corner of the left hand side, Stellar Lumin, we have XLM. That's the abbreviation you are going to use for technical analysis. Let's just go to XLM. XLM.P. The reason why we are adding .P is because of the perpetuals. We are trading perpetuals and you can either select, this is where it gets tricky. Please pay attention. You can select Bybit if you are trading on Bybit. So if I was going to enter the trade on Bybit, I'll be selecting Bybit as my trading broker. So you see here we have crypto, You click on crypto here, then we select Bybit if you are trading on Bybit. But me, I'm trading on Binance, so I'll select Binance here. So just click on Binance this way. Once I click on Binance, this is a trade that I took the last time with my community. It went perfectly well and we were able to cash out around 0.034. So if you want to learn more about this, check the profile or you can just join the mobile billionaire community. So basically what I need to do is, we already know that we are going to enter a long position on XLM. We know that everyone is buying XLM and it's going up. Basically what I do is I just go for long position. As I told you, if we go for long position, we add our entry price prediction to around here. We go for support. Okay, so the nearest support is around 0. This level. So this is where we'll exit the market if the trade doesn't go well. I usually target 1:3, meaning if I'm risking $50 on a trade, if it goes well, I'm going to make $150. That's how you should be looking at trading. Now the next thing is for me to just double click on the thing here. Then you enter the $100 capital that you have with a risk of 2%. Now you confirm we have our take profit, which is where we want to exit the market if the trade is going well, and we have our stop loss where we want to exit the market if the trade is not going well. So I confirm here. Now I go back to my Binance again. So once I'm on my Binance, you can see the trades that I took. The other one is at $50 profit, the other one is at 2, and the other one is minus 82. The one that was at $90 loss is now minus $82. So if we check here, it was $42 loss, now it's minus $31. And mind you, this account I started with $100. That's how you can do it. So now let's do the trade. You take the trade together. Okay, so I just click on the search box you can see here. Once I tap on there, check where my mouse cursor is. Then we search for XLM, that is Stellar Lumin. You select the one with USDT PEP. USDT PEP. Don't ever select those with CM or contract. Select USDT PEP. That's those we are trading. So I select USDT PEP. Now you can see the order book and everything will change. Majority of people are entering long on this coin. I have a strategy that I use, but with this particular tutorial, I promise you guys I was going to teach you how to do it with $100. So that's what we are currently doing. But you can't just get up and start entering trades. You need a strategy, okay? And you also need guidance. That's why I'm saying follow me and join our trading community. That's the MBC. So share this video to a friend, because this video, this wisdom that I'm giving to you, it can help you for the rest of your life. So basically what I'll do is I'll just take the trade. So to take the trade, we go back to trading view. You can see they said QTY. That's the quantity that I'm supposed to use on this trade on Binance. So if I click here, then I'll just drag here to 50. So we are buying 50 XLM. So we have to buy 50 XLM. Okay. So if we are even going to buy this amount, just check here. Let's say we want to use 2% of our capital. So that's $2. So now we have $2. Now we need to enter our take profit and stop loss. We go back. Our take profit is 0.566. So we go to Binance. We have 0.566. Then we have our stop loss where we want to exit if this trade doesn't go well for us. We click here. Now we enter our account inside. So what I also do next is I'm just going to use the stop loss. So you have our stop loss being 0.388. We also have something we call entry price. We have 0.388. 0.388. So you can even decide to calculate your position by using the calculator here. So if I click here, I can use the P&L calculator to know how much I'm going to make if this trade goes well. So I'm telling you guys that the next tutorial is just going to teach you how to do these things. So now if I enter buy long, the trade will appear at the positions here. So it will surely appear. So you can see the position shows your active trade, and we have the open orders which shows your take profit and your stop loss when you take the trade and all those stuff. So this video I've just showed you how to start trading with $100 on Binance with your PC or smartphone. If you have any questions or you want me to do a video about something, just comment down below, and make sure to follow or subscribe so that you can get more tutorials like this. Take care and see you in the next video.